with everything going digital. However, that does not mean that they don't require to print documents every now and then. In that case, they prefer to get their documents printed at a print shop. I personally do that as well. Print shops can be found almost everywhere, let it be schools or let it be colony markets, corporate hubs to main market, and hence they get a variety of customers with varied requests. Some may need vacation pictures to be printed on photo paper, while others might just want to print and make copies of their homework. Now, in such a business, the most important investment you can make is the printer, and the type of printing you plan on performing will dictate the type of printer you need. Hence, you need to invest in a printer that is not just cost effective but also highly efficient when it comes to volume printing with high quality prints. Ink tank printers are winning interest among the buyers who are searching for something similar. They give excellent print quality and reliability at an extremely low cost per page. The one ink tank printer that I strongly recommend is the HP Smart Tank 530. So if you are a print shop owner and if you print, scan, copy documents a lot, especially multiple documents at a time, then this is the best printer for you. Let me show you why. Now, the HP Smart Tank 530 helps to give you a low cost per print. A monochrome print will cost you about 10 paise per page, whereas a color print will cost you about 20 paise per page. Don't worry, such a low cost per page does not hamper the print quality. Let me show you an example. I have always believed that a printer should be hassle-free, easy to set up and control, no mess of wires or tension of cartridge drying out and more. There are so many issues at times without compromising on features and performance. The HP Smart Tank 530 fits it all. Setting up the printer took less than few minutes. This included inserting the printer heads, pouring the ink in the tanks, and the printer uses a spill-free mechanism to fill in the tanks, which is simple and convenient, and I personally loved it. It also has an automatic ink level sensor to monitor the level of ink in your printer, so basically you will never run out of ink out of a sudden. You can also monitor the ink level by just looking over here. This is for black, this is for color, and it's so simple. Aside from USB cable communication, the Smart Tank 530 is Wi-Fi enabled and offers smart wireless printing connectivity, and it supports dual band Wi-Fi, meaning I can connect to my 5 GHz Wi-Fi network as I'm doing right now. It is also possible to print remotely using the HP Smart app. This function is extremely useful because it allows many users to print without having to log into their linked computer. The Smart app, which can be used on both PC and a mobile device, is adaptable and lets you create unique smart jobs for your daily printing needs. Now for the most important part, the printer can yield 18,000 pages in black and around 8,000 pages in color, which is a great number for a printer in this particular range. The scanner in HP 530 is a flatbed and ADF scanner tray with a tray capacity of about 35 pages. The maximum paper size the printer can print on is 300 GSM. HP 530 can print with a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi. The scanner can work at a maximum size of 216 by 297 mm. It also has automatic document feeder ADF, which I mentioned earlier. ADF is a feature which takes up to 35 pages and feeds the paper one by one at a time into scanner or copier, allowing the user to scan and thereby copy, print or fax multiple pages of documents without having to manually replace each page. This is going to be a lifesaver for all those people who scan a lot of documents at times, and I definitely know a lot of them who do this particular thing, and this is going to be useful for them. So overall, the fact that HP 530's setup is simple and with considerable ease, the printer can print, copy, scan easily from mobile phones, tablets and laptops which are connected over the same Wi-Fi network. It also promises high volumes of printing at affordable cost. Therefore, I can definitely recommend the HP Smart Tank 530 for all the features that it has to offer. So overall, I feel the HP Smart Tank 530 is a great choice if you are looking for affordable printing, as I mentioned, and overall great print quality as well. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this printer, you can ask them in the comment section box below, or you can tweet it to me at @dhananjay_tech. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.